All right, family, peace. I want to touch on risk management and discipline. Right, these are the most important factors when it comes to being a profitable trader in this trading game. By profitable, we mean at the end of the month, your account is up, not down. Right, we want to turn $100 into 110, 120, 200, 300. We don't want to turn 100 into 30. That's the wrong way, right? We want to go up, not down, right? So we want to be profitable, and in order to do that properly, we have to have the correct risk management, and we have to be disciplined in it. Discipline is key. All right. So, for example's sake, I'm going to use the Bitcoin 5 minute chart. We're on the Bitcoin chart, right? Your ticker is here, your symbols here, right? Time frames here, 5 minute, right? Um, we have this area of support, right? If you're unfamiliar with support and resistance, please go watch the beginner playlist on the YouTube channel. I have it pinned in the group chat, right? Just go to the top of the group and look for the pinned messages, and it's in there, right? So we have this level of support, right? So when price comes down to this level, I'm looking for buy positions, right? I'm looking to buy. I'm looking for price to bounce off of this support and go up. Now, when I place the trade, when I'm looking to place the trade, I'm looking for my risk to reward, right? My first take profit would be the closest previous highs, right? The local highs. So I'm going to mark that up as my target. That's my TP, right? Let's make it green for green for green, green for money, right? Now, my stop loss, because I'm going long, we're betting that the price is going up. My stop loss would be the previous low pivot. Boom. Let's make it red for stop. Stop. This means that if price gets to this level, I'm out. I'm out. I'm not thinking about it. I'm not emotional about it. I'm not like, damn, I was wrong. I was wrong. And I'm out. Right? So let's see how this plays out. All right. All right. Now we're in profit. We hit take profit one. You could have taken your money there if you wanted to stay in longer. That's cool too. Now, what I like to do in order to stay profitable, I like to trail my stop loss, right? Trailing means, all right, we are in profit. I'm going to take my stop loss and I'm going to trail it up, right? That way, if price goes against me, at least I leave the trade in profit. You get what I'm saying? I didn't sit there for 20 to 30 minutes for nothing. I'm in profit, right? Now, say you don't move your stop loss. Say you don't trail it. Let's let it play. Boom, right? Now you didn't trail your stop. You got stopped out. That's okay. That's all right. At least you're out of the trade with minimal loss, right? This will leave your account with money to get back into a trade. We want to have money to continue to trade with. That's the point of risk. That's the point of your risk management. You need money in your account to trade with. So if you don't have a stop loss, this is what it looks like. If you don't have a stop, this is what your trade will look like. Right? Now you all the way down here. As a matter of fact, let me let it play out even further. Pardon, I had to come back in. I had to stop the video. But again, right? You didn't have a stop, right? Your stop should have been here. That way, when price comes down, you only risk a little bit, right? Your account, you still have money in your account to get into another trade, right? If you didn't have a stop, if you didn't have a stop loss, you took a major loss here because, see, you're gonna get emotional. You're going to get emotional. Price is wait. You're gonna look at your account, and that $100 that you had in your account or whatever you had in your account is now $70, 60, 50, 30, 20. Right now you're panicking. Now you sell at a major loss when you could have sold at a minor loss, right? Or you could have trailed your stop, right? And again, these stop losses, depending on what broker you use, right? You could you could have a stop right on the chart and you could just hit stop, right? It'll be right there. So when price touches it, it automatically stops you out. Or this could be something in your mind where you're watching the charts and you're like, all right, I'm going to, as price moves, I'm going to trail my stop up and I'm going to leave with something, right? That way, if price reverses on you, you're out of there with something, right? So you must have a stop loss. It's important to your life in this game, right? So let's remove that, right? So also, I want to talk about entering. Again, I want to talk about entering the trades, right? When we say calls or puts above, right? Say we say for example, calls above let's see, let me change that color. We say calls above 105.541, right? For example, right? And let's see, price is here, right? We say calls above this number, and we see prices right here. We don't enter until the price gets above the level. Do not think like, all right, price is going there, let me predict it and I'm gonna shoot the shot. That's not how this works. You have to get above certain levels for a reason. This is if you study market structure, which is also in the beginning, in the beginners playlist, go study that market structure. You have to know to get above these levels first, or there's no trade, right? And this is what it looks like for people that chase trades. When you chase, this is what it looks like. Don't chase, but this is what it's going to look like, right? So your inputs, excuse me, you're in calls. You took calls, not allowing the price to get above this level. You took calls, and now look at you. But because you're good at risk management, you also had a tight stop loss. So you did lose, but you didn't lose big, right? You did lose, but you didn't lose big. But when you wait for price to get above these levels, then your stops are better, right? Now, if price would have shot up from there, right, and your TP would be previous pivots. And you can trail your stop as it goes. And it's the same with puts, right? If I say puts below this level, right, your stop would be previous high pivot. Take profits, previous pivots, right? Price after, remember, don't enter until the level is broken. Do not enter the trade until the level is broken. This is an ugly arrow. Delete that. But yeah, risk management. The name of the game is to have money to play with. Stay with the money. If you're going to take a trade, have a very tight stop loss and big rewards. All right? That way you could lose 3 trades and still be profitable with 1.